In the garden we can using also this cover crops, because this cover crops is very important also in our garden, because this cover crops as a covering in our soils. If our soil is no cover, this will soil become very uh, faster to dry. See, now the climate is very hot. So if you check downside, see, the soil is wet because of this living cover. So that's why in our garden you must not all removing the grass. This grass is good because this grass also, this not only giving a cover to the soil, also this giving of some natural fertilizer in our soil. See, like this, you see this mint, this herb. Oh, you see, good. see the See, the mint is good because the mint always like this little cold place. So mint is good. This grass also, this helping to make the surrounding become cool. That's why grass is sometimes maybe better. This grass only, if this grass is too much growing, maybe better is to cutting only. After cutting, and then put again there, bring back, and this like this. When you cutting like this, cutting, when you only cutting, you like this, and then put together, because this grass will become also as a cover, and then also someday it will be a fertilizer to this herb. So you see now the mint is now is coming to here, because this mint here is scattered by going and going downside, and then coming out here. See, maybe after 1 month, this all grass is become mixed with the mint. So if we have some garden like this of too much grass, maybe better to put mint, because mint is very important. We can mix it in our chai, mostly if you are always addiction in drinking of chai, then you can mix this mint. Mint is very good in our immune system, because it will strong our immune system, so that's better. So not only grass we also mint, and also you can mix also this this sweet potato. I plant here sweet potato here. Yeah, I see this is the sweet potato I planted now. Alhamdulillah, this now coming. It is now coming. So alhamdulillah, then also we can mix with the grass. If we have grass like this, we can plant also, not only the grass. This tarragon, in the grass. In the grass you can cutting only like this, cutting, because of maybe this grass is too much. So maybe some new trunks will be disturbing, so you can only cutting the grass, and then put again there, so it will be mulching, also covering the soil, so the soil will be always wet. So if the soil is always wet, so you don't need to put another water. And also you can also some watermelon. See, there are also watermelon. Oh, mix. See, you know, if you are cutting this grass, cutting like this, and then put again there, and then like this cutting only, which is the grass that is too much tall, you will cutting like this only, cutting. Mm. Cutting and put again there, see, and then this grass maybe someday this will become fertilizer. This is better. See if see downside the one is wet. Oh, that's why also this good because you know in you have living mulch in the and also the goodness of here, if this the grass is too much tall, you only cutting, and after this cutting, you have a new fertilizer. So you don't need to buy fertilizer in the market. You know the price of fertilizer is very high. You can save also. Because this grass will become urea. So if you have something like this, there is a watermelon. If you see that the watermelon is have a flower, you can use some banana peel, because this banana peel there is potassium, because potassium can help our bearing fruits or bearing like this melon to give more fruits. If you put this banana peel only, you soak in the water, and after this 20 days, and then this water is put in the clear water. You combine this 1:2, one maybe one small glass of this this banana peel water, and then 2 glass of this pure water, and then mix this, and then after this you water in your watermelon, and this watermelon forcing to give fruits like this. But if you see that your watermelon automatically giving fruits without using or without additional of this potassium, so no need. It may be say like this. Yeah, this watermelon starting to give flower. This now starting to must be to put this potassium. Because in the store some people are only throwing their banana peel, so you can take that, so that you can save, mostly if you are not buying of this banana peel or banana, so you have also. See now the one is too much scattered, this the mint here. So you see, because of this helping of the grass, that's why the mint is good also when you mixing in the grass. Because this grass is helping to make the air cool. So thank you very much for my viewer, and next time again.